using, and since it's a super badge, I went ahead and created a clean environment as suggested by Salesforce. So I'm going to go into flows. I'm going to create a new flow. It's going to be a screen flow. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a screen, and I'm going to label this product product filter screen. So we need an API name of product filter screen. I'm going to then add radio buttons. And in my radio buttons, I'm going to call this, my label is going to be product choice. API name of product choice. I want the variable to contain text. And then I need to enter some choices. So I'm going to add a choice here and another. Okay. Because it's going to be 3 different choices I'm picking from if you read the thing there. So I'm going to enter a new resource. The resource is going to be a choice. And I'm going to call this one assembly bots. And the label is going to show us assembly bots. And my data type is going to be a text data, and the value of this choice is going to be assembly. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and do a lowercase assembly. I'm not sure if that makes a difference or not, but I'm going to try that. So what I'm doing here, one of the choices of my radio buttons, and I'm telling it is a resource of the type choice. The API name for this radio button is assembly bots. The label on the choice is going to be assembly bots. The result, if picked, is going to be a result of type text with a choice value of assembly, which is what I'm going to use to search on in my get command. So that's my first one. And then for some reason you've got to go in and pick it after you create it, which is weird. So I think if you create a new resource, it should just stick there, but that's just a flaw. My second choice is going to be the API name Rainbow Bots. My choice label will be Rainbow Bots. My data type on this will also be text. My choice value here will be rainbow. Because again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the product list category by name and filter out all records that contain rainbow somewhere in the name. I'm going to say done here and tell my second choice to go for rainbow bots. And on my third choice here, I'm going to go new resource. Again, I'm going to pick another choice. For the API name, this one was Cloudy Bots. So API name is going to be Cloudy Bots. And my choice label will be Cloudy Bots. And what I'm going to store is as a text. And this one's going to be cloudy. Done. Enter value, cloudy. All right, so now my product choices are assembly bots, rainbow bots, and cloudy bots. So I'm done with the choice screen. All right. So the next thing I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to get a list of the records. So I'm going to choose a get records. And I'm going to call this filtered products. Filtered products. Okay. And I'm going to search the object products. And on this exercise, for some reason, when you put in everything, it puts it under product 2. So it's product 2, conditional requirement. Now, I am going to require that conditions are met. And what I want is that the name field in product, I hate that it does that. Conditions are met. That the, scroll down, make sure you let go of the mouse right here, then move over. So it contains the results of the last screen. So it's not going to be any one of these three because that's the choices from the last screen. But what I want, oh, this is so aggravating. Remember to let go of your thing here. What I want is the screen component product choice. This is the choice of the 3 buttons. So product choice is going to be there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure the conditions are met that the name of the product contains the value product choice. We are going to not just store only the first record, we're going to store all records. And the next thing it's going to want to do is it's going to want to store these records that we just got. So I'm going to need to create a new resource to store them in. The resource type I'm going to have here is going to be a variable. The API name is going to be filter results. The data type here is going to be record, and I'm going to allow multiple values so that it's a collection. This is going to be, again, from products. And I'm going to say done. So what should happen here, and I hate that it doesn't stick this in there, but I'm going to click here, and I'm going to do filtered results products. Okay. Excuse me. Now, what am I going to put in there? And the field that I want is the name. This is so frustrating. Remember to drag down, let go of your mouse here, and then pick name. All right, I think that's all that I want. I'm going to say done. The last thing I want to do is I want to show the results in the screen. So I'm going to have another screen out here. This is going to be filter, what am I going to call this? Results. All right, API results. So what I want on here is display text. And the display text area's API name is displayed results. So it wants a resource in here. Insert a resource. So I should be able to go here. And I want to show my record collection variable of filtered results. That's what should be listed in that display text. And I'm going to say done. All right, I'm going to go to this screen, to this screen, to this screen. And I'm now going to save my flow. My flow label, I'm going to call this product filter list. Product underscore filter underscore list. And it's going to be a screen flow. Okay, and I'm going to save. All right, let's see if this works. I'm going to run it. And let's see what I get. Show me all of the assembly bots. That's what I get. So somewhere in this, I've made a mistake, but this is what... Show me rainbow bots. I've got 3 things here. I'm probably... I guess I'm not displaying something properly. Something is not displaying properly. Is it on my filtered products? Take the filter results. Let me look at this variable there and see that it's fine. Let's take a look at filter results variable. The data type is record. Allow multiple records, but I don't want the data type as a record. Or the data type, should it be text? Let me try adding a different data type here. New resource. Variable. Text. Allow multiple values. Text results. I'm going to say done. Collection variable or record collection variable. Maybe it's a collection variable that I need. Okay, so let's go into filtered products. And I've got filtered results. Now it's going to have to be a record collection variable. The filter results of product 2. Set field to store in variable. Field ID, field name, product name. Done. Let me trash that. Again, bear with me, I'm learning. Trash that. Okay. Let's cancel out of here. Maybe it's in my results somehow. Results. Filtered results display text. I don't know. Screen components, radio choice screens. Filtered results seems like what I should be doing. What is it? Filtered products? Done. Save. And run. Just to see what this is going to give me now. Oh, true. Okay, true. True? I have 3 different products here. I can see it. 2Y. Okay, so, but I'm getting just the ID is what I'm getting. But I don't want the ID. I want the name. Okay. So this is where I'm stuck at. And if anyone can help me in the comments below, I'd appreciate some help, because I'm not getting much help out there on the internet on this, I'm afraid. All right, well, thanks.